y'all, it's your girl Malika Estelle back with another video. It is January 23rd and today I'm going to Costa Rica. So I'm with the girls. Everybody say hey. And it's the birthday girl right here, Amber. We have an 8 a.m. flight. We're going to Miami and then Costa Rica. So yeah, stay tuned.
To prepare for landing, please close your tray table and put away carry-on items.
We in Costa Rica. This is a driver. So yeah, right now we're waiting for our ride. But it's lit. We just went through a really exhausting process. But now we about to go to the B&B and I'll check y'all later. About to take some shots. The B&B is so nice. I'm gonna give you a tour in the morning. Let me give y'all a walkthrough. So it is day one and we about to go to the pool. Just made myself a drink. Got my speaker. Yeah, let me show y'all the pool though. Mad pretty. So it's officially day one and we by the pool right now. After this, we're gonna go get some lunch. And y'all look at the view. It is gorgeous. Lucy, say hi. She's trying to hide from the camera all day. So this is our pool and jacuzzi. And this is where we're staying. Yeah. We just made some drinks. I'm about to turn on my speaker. And I'm about to have a good time.
The beginning of it was bad. It was like going on and off a filter. Alright. Hey.
So I just got dressed. We about to go get some lunch in the town. Actually, I got my period today. So yeah, just taking it a little easy. But this is my dress.
wow, look at this. So nice. One down.
This hill is crazy. Like, I would have never, like, I was never getting lost. I wanted to drive down there. I mean, I would think, like, this could put a dream.
It's so beautiful. So pretty. So we didn't really go exploring yet, but y'all, the bank closes at 3:45 on a weekday, so we couldn't convert the money. I guess we'll wait until after we finish eat or on another day. Yeah. But their streets are really cute. It kind of reminds me of Trinidad a bit, to be honest.
Where y'all want to sit?
So we're here now, waiting to order. I think I'm gonna get the steak and onions. Yeah. But everything's pretty inexpensive. So, and I'm gonna get a margarita. I'm sorry? I'm vlogging. Amber Johnson.
I was trying to figure out, like,
I must have looked.
that's why I'm like, all right, so who is she
No,
talking to?
I'm laughing because I would have looked real crazy.
No, I'm like, I'm like, I didn't see the phone.
So Amber couldn't see my phone. She thought I was talking to myself.
I need food.
Yeah, we hungry.
That's why I'm here the same thing.
I'm a
I'm like, Taco Bell is different when it's
I don't know if it's better than
because we got ground meat, right? Pina colada. Sorry. I would have pina colada, but I'll take it. Rice and meat? What's the mushroom? Specials and mushroom sauce.
It's good.
I'm getting some of
But the thing about it, they didn't have flavored margarita, so I just had a regular one.
they finesse that though.
They did, it's good. So I actually changed my drink because the first one was too salty. And I got a pina colada. So let's see how it is. It's good. Heavy on the coconut though. But it's good.
That's it.
So now we came to their like shopping center, downtown area. You know, we wanted to see what the vibe was before we head back to the crib. Yeah, we went to really like experience Costa Rica. I enjoyed my food. I would go back there. Yeah. Bop, bop. Y'all hear the music? Y'all hear the tunes? Y'all hear the tunes in Costa Rica?
That was the bop bop.
We just had a pretty interesting experience coming up the hill. Look how steep this is though to our Airbnb. All the way up there. So we're blowing up balloons right now.
I was hoping they had papers to read, but they ain't gonna have
She said, how do you blow a balloon? on, birthday girl.
Put in the diamond bright. My baby girl just wine. See this up and kill everything inside.
Wait, Amber, read the card again.
Call your mom or dad and tell them you need to get bailed out of jail.
Shit. Oh my God.
Y'all know I'm gonna. She gonna pin it. I don't want to be my mom.
Like, and she know you're in Costa Rica.
Hello? Mom! Yes. I did something wrong. I need to be bailed out of jail. You what?
I need to be bailed out of jail.
Yeah, Ma, yeah, like I gotta get out of here. I ain't even do nothing. They pulled us over, you know, we was drinking and stuff, and then they said we was like too loud, making too much noise. Disorderly conduct. Oh my God.
You want the bus?
Get you out of jail. How much did it say? It's $5,000 in Costa Rica money. In American money. In American money? Yes. Oh, girl. I'm just playing, Mom. I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing. It's a game. It's a game. You know I ain't got no money sitting around.
Alright. Quick. Keep this card and use it anytime I run into a nearby wall and place them both.
She keep getting for collectibles. Like, take the damn card, yeah, hold it.
Alright.
That's.
But we gotta run to the wall.
Run to the wall and then what?
What's your word?
And put your hands on the wall.
And
what happened?
Whoever basically
Fuck, boy, you ain't so bad, dude.
Look at I don't know if she'll jack that.
almost that. Y'all not gonna know when it comes. It's gonna be in the middle of the okay. Call me your card.
No, I'm just stand up.
Y'all not gonna know. That purpose is okay.
Nah, that, whatever that
Dicks, what?
Got a drink.
All males are good.
Do your thing.
I do your thing.
I do your thing.
Yeah.
So y'all gotta turn up on.
I want to see you do something instead of
Yeah, like,
sitting on lap. It's easy.
The person on your left is now your master.
A few moments later.
The player who drew this card must pick a category. Alright? Say something that fits the category.
Okay, so kind of like what she had, right?
Yeah, right. Alright, so,
Don't worry, y'all. I'm not going to the wall. I saw y'all nervous. Don't be nervous.
right, colors.
red, purple, yellow, green, white,
Gray.
orange, brown, black, fuchsia.
White.
Somebody said that.
Peach.
No.
On the count of three, everyone points to the player they want to take a drink. The player with the most votes must drink. So we gotta vote for what we want to take a drink. Three.
You see how they do it?
Okay, that's cool.
I do too much. Don't push me. I want all y'all to do it. I do too much. Come on, let's go.
You're so fine, I can't get you off my mind, ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all.
What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, and today we have excursions. So we're gonna go do zip lining and some other things. Yeah, I'm gonna tag it. Yeah, and we definitely running late for our excursions. The third day, sorry. We definitely running late for our excursions. The first Uber left us. Now look at us struggling down this hill. It's too early. It's too early. It's not even 6 a.m. yet. No, actually it is 6. We supposed to be at the place at 6:45. Yeah. And they definitely will leave our asses. Like,
No, 35.
35.
We'll be alright.
Oh, that's fucking crazy because it's so crazy that we now like leaving the shit and all this other shit. Because mind you, I scheduled this since last night.
Y'all was leaving late.
No, the first one, it's at 14
said
minutes.
3
Then it
minutes
switched.
downstairs.
Yeah, but then I never saw it. It's a
I'm a damn mess. I couldn't even put my damn shoe on. Running down this hill. Listen, this hill, crazy.
And I want to know, like, what's on the second floor? Y'all didn't peep how it was like a garden looking type thing.
the living room area.
All right. So we made it. Which? Yeah. Pop up my head one more time.
Yeah, you gotta turn it up.
All right, so we made the bus, the van, and we actually early. One of the first ones.
Waiting for us.
Okay. But I know it's people that's gonna want to go in the back.
Racing out the day.
Nah.
Where you from, Amber?
New York.
New York?
Yep.
You said that with conviction.
Yeah, it's the main stop for the animal surprise, for natural surprises, everything. Yeah. Okay. Questions? Everybody's choose.
How
Yeah,
long
for
till we get there?
For the tour?
Yeah.
14 hours.
Not how long till we get there. Wait, what?
For drive 2 days ago. The army now, Costa Rica is the U.S. Army.
Oh.
U.S. Army.
Really?
I didn't even get it on the vlog. Sorry. Excuse me.
Nah, no way.
I'm sorry. It's tight.
My foot is confused. I'm just looking at that. Like.
The eucalyptus is very important for shade for the coffee plantation. Yeah, coffee necessary good elevation and shape too. Okay. That's the volcano, right? Yeah. Squash. See, they chill around at the tree.
Wait. Can I get a frozen one?
So we here at the zip lining now. Look at this. He's not that bad. Say hey, everybody. How y'all feeling? Nervous? Scared? You good?
I'm good right now.
Let's see what
It's until I strap myself in.
Right. So I'm hearing that it's 9 different.
Yeah, 9 what?
This is what I heard, but we'll see.
In Jamaica, it was just like
Drop, 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 drop. Start high,
it started
come
so
down
high,
low.
and then we came down low.
I'm excited to zip line. This don't look too bad. We haven't seen the other ones, but so far it doesn't look too bad.
That's another thing too.
You're free, you can lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When
Yeah, nah, you.
We at the hot springs. We just finished with zip lining. So yeah. Okay.
oh girl, nah, nah, baby girl.
Yeah, relaxing. Relaxing. Hey? Relax, okay? Back to channels.
Dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm done, let me up with your company. There's no telling where you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like.
So we're having lunch right now. All orange.
You use my phone. If you want to make videos or whatever.
Amber, how you feeling? You good? I need some birthday energy. But I know it's a lot going on right now. But yes, we about to enjoy our brunch. Catch y'all in a few.
Oh no, he trying to talk on the phone. Well, I can't.
I'm sorry. You're trying to get clarification. The 200 is covering the catamaran and the parasailing.
Like a stranger, you give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we
Going downtown right now. About to get some drinks. And then later on tonight, it's Amber's birthday dinner. If we ever make it. No, I'm just joking.
Yeah, I didn't know y'all someone having
You gotta put our drinks in.
Yes, driver. Play the tunes. And he knew I liked it too. That's why he turned it up.
Stop it up.
She did.
Blue Martini, right? And the Bulldog, right? The gin tonic Bulldog. You order this. You want first of the difference?
Yes, please.
Which one would you like?
Can I have?
girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh girl, nah, nah. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a
I'm having a pretty relaxing day. It's just me at the B&B right now. Everybody else went to power sailing in the catamaran. Yeah, I'm having a pretty relaxing day. I was just reading this book and I took a lot of pictures. So I got the content that I wanted. I cooked, I cleaned, and yeah, I'm having a really great time. Costa Rica is absolutely beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Trinidad, to be honest with you. But the view is incredible. It's not incredibly hot. Like, it's pretty warm during the day, and during the night it's kind of chilly. I'm hearing that it's about to be snow in New York when I get back, which is on Saturday. I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, today I got a black swimsuit on. Listen, your girl been coming with the looks all trip. I'm about to go inside in a bit because I've been out here for like a few hours and it's starting to get a little chilly. But I just wanted to touch bases with you guys, and I know I haven't been like talking a lot. I've really just been like in the moment and more so taking a lot of just videos. So yeah, but this is my touch bases, and the food also has been really good, but I'm sure y'all have seen in the footage. Yeah, so catch y'all later. Oh, this is our last night.
Look at my calves for walking up
Look
here.
at her calves.
walking up
Yes. The only workout. Good times.